Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, media, press, and all the invited guests. Honorable T. Ravi Kumar sir, at the outset, I take this opportunity to bow my head to Lord Venkateshwara for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this wonderful program organized by our beloved sir, Shri T. Ravi Kumar. As I've already told you, Shri T. Ravi Kumar sir, his hands are magical. Whatever he touches becomes gold. Fingers are magical and it gives the Midas touch. He has been a very, very successful teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, who has been applauded with the incentives like regional incentive award. It is just for him, hath ka kamal hai sir. Regional incentive award, national award, and national innovative award, and what not he has got it through his hardship and dedication. He has also been in the Guinness Book of World Records in the field of origami for preparing, peacock. Such a marvelous piece it was, and it was appreciated by one and all, right from national and at international level. Speaking about Ravi Kumar sir, he's such a dedicated, a sincere, a hardworking, a very affectionate teacher, not only to his students but also to his fellow mates. He has organized a large number of workshops for the students to develop, skill development programs in the field of SUPW work, in the field of pottery, in the field of bagless days. Sir has showcased his skills, and one can really imagine that how talented and how a gem of a person sir is. And I really tell you that I don't think you will find a teacher. You go from Kanyakumari to Delhi, or you go from Assam to Gujarat, you will not find a teacher of his kind, his dedication, his sincerity, and he has spent nights over school whenever there was any program or any related to any sort of work. Sir has given his full time to the Vidyalaya, which shows that he is such a devoted and a very sincere teacher in his field. And he has also, as I told you, that without his presence, the school is handicapped, and one cannot imagine from day after tomorrow how the school is going to run. He keeps no record of the money he spends from his pocket, and he never expects that it should come back. And I really tell you, dear ladies and gentlemen, this is how God has given him back. God has given him the power to, through his art, to make such a huge picture of Lord Balaji, and this is going to be placed in Sanctum Sanctorium Hills there at Tirupati. Sir, you are really blessed, and God has given you all his choicest blessings and showerings on you. What a creative mind, what an innovative mind, what a magical fingers you have. And I really take this opportunity to thank you and for giving me this opportunity to be present here in such a grand and a wonderful and a pious program which you have called me. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and the media here. And now I would like to hand over the mic to Shri Ravi Kumar sir, who will highlight and who will throw more light on his work, what he has done.